Here's how you can go ahead and fix the small floating keyboard on your iPad. So here you can see that my keyboard is currently small and floating, which makes typing difficult because it's cramped and hard to reach. The fix is easier than you think. Simply use the two fingers and pinch outwards on the keyboard. Place your fingers on the keyboard and spread them apart. And to make it small again, you can pinch inwards. And to enlarge it, pinch outwards like this. If you want to use the buttons in the keyboard, you can tap on this button right here in the bottom right corner. And you can go ahead and tap on floating. The keyboard will be switched back to floating, and you can again pinch it outwards to make it large. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.